I'm here. It's a very stormy, thunder, lightning day. 7 o'clock. 7 o'clock in the evening. 7 o'clock in the evening. Oh, see the lightning there? That's the Calgary Tower there. That's the Calgary Tower right there. This is 9th Avenue. And I'm gonna be performing today at the Palliser, which is right here. The Palliser Hotel. We're gonna be performing for a couple of hours. But as you can see, this is a nasty, nasty storm here. I got my umbrella. Passed away days, they lovers under my umbrella. All the people stare as if we were both quite insane. Someday my name and hers is going to be the same. Yeah, look at all this crap. I'm coming from parking my truck, but I'm getting wet here. And my, be careful, it's nasty out there. Look at that. Oh. Whoa, I cannot see it. Crazy. It's crazy. Lightning. All that lightning that's happening right now. Can you hear that? People walking over there. And people... Yeah.
Would you mind leaving your key?
Yes. Yeah. I do.
I will not charge you, but we just need a key.
Yeah. No problem. Anyways, that's the Edison right there. Hey, have a good one, everybody. Rainy day here in Calgary. Un día muy lluvioso y tormentoso en Calgary. Pareciera que a los edificios les va a caer el rayazo. Anyways, cheers everybody. Enjoy your day. I hope it's not as rainy as this one. Or maybe if you need the rain. Cheers.